Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Google Drive inside Google Chat for easily share and collaborate on files. Let's see how to do it. Open the Google Chat, then like with Chompok you want to share a file from Google Drive, just click here and there is an option is attach drive file. Just click here, then click send. Then appear the dialog box for and the privilege level. The user can comment, view or edit, right? We can select editor, then he can edit the file, then send the message. Now Chompok user received the file. He received the file. In this way, simply we can share Google Drive files to others. Thank you for watching.